Hi everyone, it's Jana here for NBK-Design, and I'm here to show you another toolbox, this time from the She collection. And as you can see, she added even more styles for you. We have now a total of 6 styles. We have photo overlays, watercolor styles, color and graphic styles, texture and glitter styles, dynamic scatter brushes, and sparkles. Okay, so this is the preview. This is a little example here with portraits and landscape. In the photo overlays, your treatment that you can have. So let's go ahead and let me show you that for you. So I have some pictures here that I want to load. And let me hide this one and make it bigger. So as always, I want to make sure before starting we load all our styles, so you can come here and load your files from where did you save them, and here I have all of them. So I'm gonna start with the photo overlay. Want to make sure I am in the right layer, and then we can play with it. The thing about the overlays, it depends really the picture that you are using, how they're going to react to the picture that you are using. If the hues are similar to what the overlay is creating, so you're not going to see drastic change. But then when it's totally different, then we can see a difference, like this one. This one too. This one looks nice. So she has these ones here that are more for embellishments. So you have kind of wood and texture and metal and light and things like that. So let me go back to the photo overlay and bring the other picture here. Should be on the, remember to be on the right layer. So now you can see the tones that change. My favorite is kind of these black ones. So this is really nice. What you can do also, you can just put a maybe one like that, I just give a tint, duplicate the layer, and then I'm gonna change the top layer to the more drastic one. Then you can just give a blend mode, so it can change according to the blend mode you're using. So you can give that drastic effect on your pictures, okay? I'm gonna hide that. And I have here a word art. Make it fairly big. Make sure you're on the right layer. And now let's show you the watercolor one. So you can see here it becomes a watercolor. If you have Photoshop elements, what you can do, if you have regular Photoshop, you can put styles on top of styles. So for example, I can put this watercolor style and add a bevel style, so it has a little bit more dimension on it. Then we have regular, let's see if that's gonna work on a word art. Yeah, so this one you see it's kind of a colored wood texture. This one is kind of a glass, very nice. This is kind of a jewel effect. This one with color, almost like a glass. So and of course we have the glitter if you want to do a glitter style in your word art. Okay. Then I have here a gesso script from the sheet kit, and just hide this layer. So to show you that you can apply the styles in this in the gesso scripts and other artsy bits, so you can see that looks really nice. So I just had a question: how can I change the look of my stash? So and that's something that you have the possibility with styles, is to change the look of your stash so you can use it over and over again and never gonna look the same in your pages. So that's the beauty of styles. And you have regular texture styles, which are a little more raised. Let me give a zoom here. So you give it a raised look, really nice. And that's what I wanted to show you, that with the layer styles. Now let's start a new layer, and we're gonna test the brushes. So I'm just gonna open the brushes, and I load them before. Let's start the stars and flowers. Increase the size. Okay, just very over the top so you can see well. Let's go to styles. And as always, we can use the glitter styles with it. So you can see that. Or you can use a scatter brush and use the colors overlays, or you can use watercolor as well. So the possibilities are endless with this. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will come back later with more tips and tricks for you using NBK Design products. Thank you so much.